To make the most out of your next food plot, start thinking about what's below the plant. I'm Steve Noble with Maximum Outdoors TV, and it's time we got to the root of growing the best food plots you've ever imagined. Killer Food Plots continues to reinvent the process of food plotting. Nick Percy and the great folks at KFP want to get to the root of the problem with their new product, Soil Defender. Soil Defender improves root and plant mass while infusing vital nutrients and minerals that will have your plants thriving. Soil Defender is a complete balanced fertilizer containing an analysis of 777, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The environmentally safe Soil Defender is the product that can accomplish what no other product in the food plotting market can do. It amends your soil. Soil Defender's liquid carbon-based fertilizer is made of a balanced blend of energy-rich nutrients and organic material that quickly stabilizes the carbon to nitrogen ratio in your soil that can become imbalanced from overuse of weed control chemicals such as glyphosate and synthetic fertilizers. Through this process of soil correction, Soil Defender energizes the microorganism activity in your soil that is vitally responsible for carrying nutrients from the soil directly to the plant, much like an ant colony leaving the nest to gather food and bringing it back to the colony for the younger next generation of ants to grow and thrive. So too does healthy microorganisms within your soil bring nutrients back to the plant, not only increasing the germination of the seed that you put down, but also increasing the root and plant growth that is vital to the success of your food plots. Great food plots not only can sustain heavy browse pressure, but also deliver constant nutrition to your whitetail herd, while putting you in the best position to harvest your next deer. Soil Defender is very easy to use. It is applied with a sprayer directly on the seed bed upon planting. Use Soil Defender when planting along with KFP's organic fertilizer, and you have the perfect organic 1-2 punch that will provide the superior conditions for germination. Continue to use Soil Defender as your food plot grows and as you seek to manage weeds by putting Soil Defender in your spray, along with your product for weed control. Finally, give your food plot a late boost heading into the fall with a final application, being very non-intrusive within your plots, but giving them that final piece of the puzzle, separating your food plots from your neighbors. Take your food plotting to the next level this upcoming hunting season and get to the root of the problem with Soil Defender from Killer Food Plots. Killer Food Plots, you reap what you sow.